guys, welcome to Toxic Gamer, and today I'll teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So first, in order to solve a Rubik's Cube, you have to make a right cross. So go ahead and make the cross. So when you're done the white cross, you have to match it up. Somehow, if you're lucky, you will get this. But if you're not lucky, it will be like this. You have to move it and then spin it like this. And then spin it back again. You have to do this in order to, if you do this, you will solve a Rubik's Cube. See? Now, when you're done that, like and subscribe, and for the next video, part 2. Bye guys, subscribe and like the video, and peace.